Hi, my name is Makayla Griffin, and I will be reading a piece from Hot Mama.
Well, it's official. The time my halter top flew off in Space Mountain was no longer my most awkward moment.
I'm going to remember this for my whole life.
That's what the ride operator said. Honey, I'm so sorry I embarrassed you. I thought you were sleeping over at Hillary's.
I came home to get my stuff. I can't believe I'm asking my mother this, but what happened to your other date?
He was a jerk. He ditched me because he couldn't handle the whole teenage kid thing. And I guess I looked upset, so Mr. Wimbish came over and we talked and...
Got it, saw it, hated it.
You didn't get this upset when I dated your orthodontist.
I was 9. Things were different then. When I was little, I used to love the fact that you were pretty and men looked at you. But now that I know why they're looking at you, ew.
Look, nothing happened, and I'll never see Mr. Wimbish again, okay?
Mom, the problem is not just Mr. Wimbish. It's everything about you.
Oh, everything about me. Well, no problem. I can fix that.
Mom, in one day you forgot that it was parent-teacher night. You brought a date because of a fear of roots. You wore a 10-inch skirt, and I come home and find you on the couch with my favorite teacher.
But I didn't do any of that to hurt you.
I know. But it's just like you're a teenager.
Really?
I didn't say you looked like a teenager. I said you were acting like one. You're impulsive and selfish, and I wish you'd stop. It's embarrassing and frankly gross.
Well, maybe I wish you'd stop acting like my mother. It's boring and annoying.
Be a mom.